The solution to the practice problem proposed at the end of the while loop tutorial in this same playlist. The goal is to write a method that takes in a base 10 whole number and converts it to binary. The method should return the binary number as a string. As a reminder, to convert a number to a binary, divide the original number by 2 repeatedly, along the way keeping track of the remainder of the division and prepending it to the binary number you're building up along the way. You should continue to divide by 2 until the answer is 0. So let's split the screen here. Under while loops, I'm going to do new Java class. I'm going to call it base 10 to binary. Double click to make the left pane go away. Void main. Just like always, we need that main method. So now I'm going to say public static string convert to binary. Okay, and it's going to take in an int num. First things first, I want that answer. So I'm going to say string answer equals the empty string. I'm going to return answer. So this binary number could be 0, right? But it also could be something that's non-zero. So I want to make sure that it works for any case. So the first thing I'm going to say is int remainder equals answer num mod 2. That'll give me the remainder. And I want to say that my answer is plus equals the remainder. And that'll turn the remainder into a string. And I want to say that num is divide equals 2. So that'll take care of the very first iteration of this loop. And then I'm going to say while num is not equal to 0. And I had to do this outside of my loop because if num was 0, I still wanted answer to be the number 0. I'm going to say remainder equals num mod 2. And then answer equals remainder plus answer. And now I'm going to say num divide equals 2. And that's it. That's all you do to convert a number from a number into a binary string. So let's test this. 8. So I'm going to do run, and I want to do base 10 to binary. It's running, and I get this number. Let's double check that to make sure that that's the right thing. So I'm going to say 8 to binary. And it is. 1 followed by 3 zeros is exactly what you would expect for 8. Let's try a different number then. Make sure that wasn't a fluke. Let's try 45. And let's see, 45 to binary. And it matches 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. And finally, let's make sure that 0 works, since 0 was the reason we put this outside of our while loop to begin with. And it was. 0 is 0, just like we expected. And we can keep playing with this to make sure it works, but I'm convinced after those 3 numbers. So that's it. That's all you need to do to convert a number from base 10 into binary using Java code. And you know what? I misspelled this, convert. So these should all be convert to binary. There we go. Now that is it. And I hope that was helpful.